Today I'm making a chicken cobbler, and not the recipe that you've seen around on the internet. This recipe is from a friend of mine. She lives in South Carolina. She's a wonderful decorator, she has a beautiful home, and she likes to cook. So this recipe is hers. I think you're going to like it. The first thing I'm going to do is melt about 5 tablespoons of butter. Now I've altered her recipe just a little bit, but I still think it's good. We liked it. Okay, now I'm going to add onions, and I know it looks like a lot, so if you want to cut it back, you can certainly do that. Her recipe calls for 2 large onions, sweet onions. And I cut it back to about 1.5, okay? And I'm adding carrots. Her recipe didn't have that, but I just want the color. It's gonna look so nice. I'm gonna let this cook till the onions become translucent, maybe more towards brown a little bit. Next thing we're gonna add is the flour. Just a little at a time. Keep stirring. Now we're going to start adding the half and half. I'm replacing the wine with the chicken broth. And just let it cook for a little while longer before we add the next ingredients. Now we're going to add the bouillon. Of course, the chicken flavor better than bouillon. Pepper. Let's give it another stir, and then we're going to add the chicken and the parsley. Here's our chicken, which I boiled this time. That's new to me. I haven't done that before, and I think that's going to be much better. The chicken's going to be more moist and juicy. Now I'm going to create the lattice top, which this is only the second time doing this, so we shall see how that goes.
You did a great job the first time.
Okay. I appreciate that. I sort of faked it. So here's our pie crust. I did not make it. I bought it. Okay, so I'm going to cut strips. So the first time I made it, I put it in a 9x13 pan, and there wasn't really enough to fill it. So this pan is a little bit smaller. I should be able to pick it up now. I did it. Doesn't look so great in some spots, but that's okay. I had to use a second pie crust, but we're not going to judge. Obviously, more practice is needed. looks good. It's very heavy. Okay, it's going to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once the top is golden, should be ready. Hey, that looks pretty good for only my second time. And now we're going to have to wait.
Smells good, Bridgetta.
It does smell good. And I'm hungry. See if I can gently.
It's bubbling like lava.
Yeah, so we're not eating it yet. We're gonna wait a few minutes. I don't know if I could clean up the dish. Let me see. Well, now we're gonna try chicken cobbler, but first I forgot to mention my friend's account. She's Paula, and her account is Town and Country House. Beautiful pictures. You definitely need to check it out.
On Instagram, right?
On Instagram, yes, definitely.
On the gram.
On the gram, yes. Do you want to serve this
I do.
time?
I do.
Okay.
I wasn't allowed to serve on last week's episode.
Of course, the recipe will be in the description box, like always. Oh my gosh, look at that.
That's gorgeous. There you go.
Crowd
Hang
pleaser.
on. Let's try another bite here.
Wow.
It's beautiful. The lattice. The carrots give it good color and nice texture.
Right.
There we go again with that word.
With the word texture, yeah. No, I really like it. The original recipe she had did have a half cup of wine. I just replaced it with chicken broth. You could do that too, or keep the wine in. We're just not wine drinkers, and we could still taste the wine.
But we are drinkers. No.
Well, one of us
At least
is.
one of us, yes.
Yeah.
Delicious,
Oh,
Bridgetta.
this is wonderful.
This is beautiful.
I like
Visually
that.
pleasing.
It is. I think everybody would like it. So it looks fancy, but it's not. I mean, you can make this any night of the week, but it'd be great for, a special occasion.
Or dinner tomorrow night.
Or dinner tomorrow night.
Make this chicken cobbler for your family or
Yep.
your friends, and you can't go wrong.
Exactly. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time with another great recipe. Bye-bye.
Good job. I like this.
I do too. Even better than the first one.